Okay, hi everyone. We're doing a 5-minute stretch at work. It's all standing. Reach your right arm up and across, left arm up and across, and just keep repeating this. And make sure you're breathing throughout, you're relaxing your jaw. And you're getting a nice deep stretch along those side bodies. This is really important if you're sitting for a long time, so we can get really tight and just kind of not notice how our bodies are feeling. So starting to loosen up that fascia. And next move, swinging the arms. So keeping your core engaged here. You're swinging the arms loosely, so you're releasing from the shoulders here. And reach the arms out to the side. Core is engaged again, and you're going to dip down. So your back is flat, and you're getting a stretch along your hamstrings, back of your legs. You're just breathing here. Again, core is engaged. And now we're going to reach for the opposite foot or for the ankle. Back is flat. That is really important. Core is engaged and back is flat, and you're breathing the whole entire time. Couple more here. And start to dip forward, and we're going to push the hips forward. So we have this opposing movement. As you pull the hips forward, you're going to tighten your butt muscles, your gluteal muscles. We want to protect the lower back, and this is really good for lower back mobility. Keep going like this. Again, keep breathing. Getting that nice stretch along the back side of the body and the front side as you pull your hips forward. Clasp your hands behind your back and lift your chin up, and then come back to center. Do this a couple times over. Lift the chin up, elongating the neck, and come back to center. Pulling the shoulders down as you clasp your hands behind you. This is really good for neck mobility, and especially if we're looking at a computer screen or something, we can kind of tend to keep our necks in one position. So this is really important. And now same thing. So the fingers are clasped behind you, and you're just going to gaze from one shoulder to the next. You're going to go just enough. So you're going to look just enough to the right where you find that edge for you, and you kind of can't go further without it feeling awkward, and then you go to the other side. And shake it out. We're going to roll the right shoulder and then take a big arm circle and just keep repeating that. Feel and notice any crunchiness in the shoulder. This is really, really good to open up the shoulder joint, get that mobility going, that blood flow going through the shoulders and other side. So just rolling the shoulder and then a big arm circle, and continue to do that. Keep breathing. And reach the arms all the way up. You're going to clasp your right or left wrist with the opposite arm, and you're going to open up that side body again. And this time, imagine you're in between two glass panels. So you're keeping the body very straight. You're not leaning forward or leaning back. Nice deep side stretch. And release it, shake it out. Squats. So we're going to get some more blood flow coming through the body here with squats. Just basic squat. Feet are about hip width distance or a little bit wider. And you're sinking your weight into your heels. Core is engaged all the time with every one of these moves. Breathing. Make this feel good. And shake it out, and we're all done. Good job.